Hey guys, today we're going to show you how to make teleporters in Roblox Studio. I've made a model, the link is in the description. I am just going to walk you through about the settings and how it works and stuff like that. So you can put them anywhere you want. It also has security settings and customizations and stuff like that. Here's the settings module script, and in here there's the stuff. This determines how long the player can be on the part before it teleports it back. This is how high above the teleporter will the player teleport. There's also some security settings. These determine whether the system can be disabled or not, or if the security script can be disabled or not, or anything like that. There's also the transparency protection, which protects the part's transparency from being modified, but make sure the transparency you set in the studio is same as the backup here. The protect lights, it protects these lights, but if you have this turned on, do not customize the lights at all. Otherwise, if it gets the security, it kicks in, then the lights will be resetted and all of your settings will have no effect if anything hacks those lights. The security disablement protects it from being turned off, but you wonder, how is that possible? The security script, it is carrying out the jobs to protect everything. How can it protect itself if it gets this disabled? Well, the system script, it has something like that inside of it. So that was it for this video. You can see that here are the point lights and stuff, but yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found it helpful, then like, subscribe for more tutorials, comment, and goodbye.